video. What's good, guys? It's your boy Aubrey back with the next video, man. So check out my Instagram, Aubrey Live, same as YouTube, man. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe. What's good, guys? So we're about to get into some food right now. I hope y'all enjoy and like the video. And if you're watching me right now and you're proud of me for doing this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you just mess with me, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. Any other way, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. But let's get into the food, man. So introducing the food, we have some rice here. We have some potatoes, veggies, and some chicken on the side. So there's the veggies, chicken, the starch. Yep. So let's go into it, man. Give it the first bite. By the way, I just tasted the rice. Pretty good, not gonna lie. It's good. Very nice. Let's give it one more go. So I have my two cats here. I have this guy. All he's thinking about is this. That's where his eyes are. But his name is Jaguar, if you all don't know him. So check out the video where I introduced you guys to them. He's a handful and loves eating. He's never full. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. So, how is the new year going for you guys? Or how is the year going? Whatever time period you're watching this, how's the year going? And just know that whatever you're going through, you can overcome it, and there's always brighter days coming. Yep. I just tried out the potatoes, by the way. Amazing, fire. Big up to the chef. Some good food, man. God, man, bless his food. So I'm just dipping the potato here, is it? So you guys can have a look. This is how the potato is looking. So it's good. There's a carrot. The carrots are good. Some greens. Some more greens. This is really good. Okay, so I'm gonna try out again the rice, because the rice is really good. Comment down below what's your favorite food. I'm gonna try the chicken. I didn't try the chicken yet. good. Really good. Whoever made the food, thank you. Trying out the other potato. So good, man. So good. Now this guy watching me. Look at him. Look at his stomach. Full of food, but he still wants some more. How can you be so full of food, bro? Just doesn't make sense. Just doesn't make sense. He's my number one, man. He's just, yeah. Ow. Scratch me. The rice is really good. No. Nope. She wants to climb on the. So our little buddy here wants to climb over and bump. This was really good. Definitely enjoyed it, man. Let's have a big bite of this. Bite. Pretty good. Thank you for the food, man. Really nice. Big ups to your chefs. And I'm gonna have a cold glass of water. Yo. Yeah, man, that was good. That was good, man. Again, thank you for watching. If you like the video, make sure you comment what you liked about the video and subscribe to the channel so that I can get more subscribers. Then I can post more videos. Because if you guys subscribe, right, I post a video. You're winning, I'm winning. We're all winning at the end of the day. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do the good things, do the good stuff, do the everything that is good. Thanks, man.